We're starting to see some cracks in these green candlesticks as they start moving on over to the red. XLM Xrp, leader laggard. Wait until I show some data with you. Some maxis may get butthurt. And reason for the market retracing a little? What if I told you that FTX, yes. One of the herpes of crypto, yes. Just like Mashinsky is dumping on the market again. And why are they dumping on the market? Because FTX has a whole bunch of assets and a whole bunch of creditors that they owe. And they're going to sell their assets for as much as they can to make their creditors as whole as they can. Oh, FTX, the gift that keeps on giving. Crypto herpes. Starting it off with your comments, the viewer is most important. Michael Semino says, I love it when you tell Maxine Waters to go herself. Huh? How long until another 3-letter agency shows up at my house? Klaus, did you say another? Yes, I did. Jeremy Duche helping out the channel again. Everyone give Jeremy a big thank you. He says, please give us a heads up before you do a show on silver and gold. Jeremy, that video will be linked at the end of this. Yes, everyone, you found a home for silver and gold coverage. Ooh, it's going to be fun. All right, starting to see some redness show up on the map. Now, this doesn't mean it's over, okay? Don't think this is over. We just have to look at the data. We're going to get into it. I'm going to show you some of the pressure that's being put on the market. ETH, we'll get to it. Sol, I get it. Okay, hold on. Bitcoin sitting at 35,019. ETH, 1897. No love for 1900. Sol, one of the big retracers, down 5.88%. XRP sitting at 71 cents. Gotta love the rally. XLM at 13.1. Laggard leader. We're going to talk about it later. FTX to sell off $744 million in Grayscale and Bitwise assets. According to court documents, the FTX bankruptcy team, the ones managing the HERP, have filed with the U.S. bankruptcy courts requesting approval to sell its trust assets. The company holds most of the funds in Grayscale trust assets and around $53 million in Bitwise 10 crypto index fund. Alright, as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Alright guys, check it out. This is the pressure that's being put on the market. Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, holy shit. 597 million, 222 million units, or 22 million units on that. Grayscale, Ethereum Trust, we can see that putting some pressure on ETH. ETH is just not getting love. Bitwise 10 index fund is 53 million, wow. Ethereum Classic is 3, blah, blah, blah. 744 million. That was the total estimated value on October 25th. I would assume that to be a little bit higher because the market's a little bit juicier as of 2 weeks ago. Ooh, daddy. XRP is now the new favorite crypto of Americans. Details. And by the way, before we get into leader laggard with XRP and XLM with your host, Klaus, I want to say that the STX thing is going to go on for a while. And the company did say that they're going to do their best to mitigate any sort of pressure to the downside when they do the dumps. But you got to think, like, when they make the announcement in the filings, right, with bankruptcy court, and that's how all this news is getting out, is because of the bankruptcy court stuff. When they make these filings, we're able to pick up on it, and we're able to kind of see where the pressure is going to be applied. That in itself can spook the markets a little bit. Not that their actual selling puts the pressure on the market, but the market going, whoa, 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 they're getting ready to unload another clip, right? A little bit of dry powder action. Like, I think that's where you start seeing that kind of, whoa, okay, let's sell now before the news gets out big time. So, XRP, new favorite crypto of Americans. According to recent data from Google Trends, gotta love it, residents in 48 out of 50 states of the country seem to be more XRP over anything else. Now, we're going to take this a step further because we're going to play leader or laggard. XRP, Ethereum, and XLM. XRP is in blue, ETH is in red, XLM is in yellow. Now, check it out, all right? This is the last 30 days here. Look at XLM, just bottom of the screen. No relevance whatsoever. Not even a blip. ETH, yeah, got a little bit of a blip right here around Halloween. XRP, massive blip. But look at the comparative interest of XLM to XRP, XLM to Ethereum, XRP to XLM. I mean, just look at the difference. I mean, this is dramatically different. So this is interest in the United States. Let's switch this out to worldwide. Now, worldwide, you're going to see something very, very interesting. Now, remember, these are the same colors, right? XRP in blue, ETH in red, yellow XLM. Okay, XRP in blue. Sorry about that. So check it out. Same thing. Look at this. More dominance. This is worldwide now. Okay, so forget the whole U.S. bias. Worldwide, look at the popularity of XRP is just on the rise here over the last 30 days. XLM, nothing. I mean, nothing. And now I get it. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to get roasted in the comments by Maxis who got butthurt by the truth. But the thing is, Maxis, listen. This isn't me. This is the data telling you that the interest is just growing in XRP. And you're seeing that with price. Oh, cool. Another chart up on the screen. Check it out. Year to date. No, this is not year to date. I'm kidding. This is the recent move, okay? Recent move for XRP in the 15-minute. Okay, we talked about why I use the 15-minute. Recent move for XRP. Look at that. More than double the move of XLM. Now, let's zoom out to the 3-month time period. 3-month time period, look at this. XRP up to 14%, XLM down 5.72. And now, the XLM community out there, and the reason I bring this up is because the XLM community out there, I've been watching, I've been following on Twitter, is like, yo, this is it. All we're getting is a 13-1. That's it. 13-1. Meanwhile, XRP rocking it 71 cents. So the XLM community out there, and what happens over time is they see these moves where like XRP and XRP's friends move higher than XLM does. And after how many moves, that community, that market is just like, yo, we're not moving as much. Laggard, okay? XRP being the leader. Now, watch what happens when we go year to date. When we go year to date, both are in the green. Of course, 2022 was just absolutely brutal. But XRP above 25% more than XLM. A lot of these moves here, you see XRP making more of an oomph than XLM. Torres action, XLM held their pump longer, as you could see, but now look, XRP roars right back. XRP was, what did it say, everyone? Overbought during the Torres news, right? So then all of a sudden you started seeing the pressure of the downside. We knew it, right? Pumps and dumps, okay? But I wanted to bring up the idea of XLM as a laggard. And as you're seeing these moves happen, as you're seeing the market roar on up, you're seeing XRP make bigger moves than XLM. You're seeing a lot of other ones out there making bigger moves than XLM. XLM is becoming a growing laggard. Do you remember a couple years ago, for the OG viewers of this channel, we always talked about like XRP and XLM, XRP being 3 times about approximately the price of XLM. And no, it's not like a hardcore math metric. It was an observational one. And now we're nowhere even close. 5 times different? 6 times different? I mean, that's nowhere near the 3 to 1. And what you've seen is XRP's rebound in price has been exactly that. It's been more robust than XLM. And that's what you're seeing on this chart for the year to date. Zoom out to the 1 year, the story's even stronger. In a 1 year time period, we're talking FTX crash. XRP is up 50%, XLM is 20%. So again, leader, laggard, XRP the definite leader. And what's ironic about that is the leader between the two has a nasty court case. They've got Gary Gensler all over their butt. And some of you are going to be like, oh, but Klaus, you know, with XRP and this. Guys, they're both US-based companies. So when we started talking about Google Trends data, right, both based in the United States, you could see way more love for XRP in the Google Trends part than XLM. Price action has been reflective of that. And I think we just have to keep paying more and more attention to that. That as that laggard effect grows, it might even stretch further. Because think about it. If you're part of the XLM camp, and let's go big screen. And I'm thinking of one person particularly in here. Pizza Man Mep, all right? Longtime viewer of this channel. Mep is always talking about pairings. And we've always talked about XLM just being a laggard. And him and I go back and forth. And we talk about, you know, XLM a lot. And the general consensus between the two of us has been everything else is moving. So if you're part of the XLM camp and you're hanging out there and you're like, yo, my friends over there are making some more money than I am. My friends over there, they're making more money than I am too. And my friends over there are, and I mean, yeah, I'm making money, but it's maybe not as much as my friends over there. What do you think is going to happen after several different rotations of that? What do you think is going to happen to the layers of money that after 2, 3, 4 different pumps of all your friends making more money than you, what do you think happens to those layers of money? They start going away. That laggard effect becomes even greater because then when you start comparing it to its market peers, and you noticed I didn't just connect it to the market peers in price, connected it also to market peers in social dominance, in intrigue, global intrigue, not just US-based intrigue, but global intrigue. showing you that the global interest in XRP is just blowing through the roof. Now, some of us would even say, and maybe go as far as saying, dude, the court case is maybe one of the best things for him. It's like a continuous like publicity thing. It's like an ad 24/7. Every freaking day you could go on crypto news and there's something about Ripple and the SEC, XRP getting bent by, SEC, something like that. With XLM, you don't hear it. In fact, some of my favorite news aggregator sites, I get 15, 20 different stories a day I have to comb through in regards to XRP. XLM, I get one a week, maybe. If it's a good week, I get two. I mean, even during Meridian, I didn't see the news coverage on it. And again, I know the maxis are going to light up the comments. Oh, you're just being negative. Dude, it's not about being negative. It's observational data that I'm sharing with you that has no emotional attachment. I'm just showing you that the laggard leader effect seems to be spreading more and more. And what used to be XRP being 3 times the size of XLM price-wise is getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. Now, how many oscillations like this can the XLM community withstand without having some big major breaking news? I don't know. But I'm looking right now at XRP at 71 cents. XLM right now at 13.1. I mean, yeah, cool. XLM, you going up percentage-wise. But again, like I showed you, just big-time laggard compared to its peers. Earlier in the video, I hinted about the gold and silver show. Well, I need your help, though, to make that happen. What kind of help do I need? Well, I need some stories, some photos, some cool anecdotal stuff. What I want you to do, if you don't mind, is check out this video right here. It explains how you can help me with the gold and silver program. If you want crypto action, that's this video right here. Now, today for me is recovery day. I got to go grab my son, do some stretching sessions, some icing, and get ready to do it all over again this week. What are you cool cats doing? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to support Spatula City.